Well, in Germany, President Joe Biden meets with leaders of the world's biggest economies, known as the G7 or Group of Seven. The war in Ukraine has been a key focus as fighting continues in the military conflict. White House correspondent Owen Jensen has more.
President Joe Biden sits down with leaders of the G7, joining them by video, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. They committed themselves to supporting Ukraine for the long haul. The meeting comes as Ukrainian officials say scores of civilians are feared killed or injured after a Russian missile strike hit a crowded shopping mall.
Today we officially launched the Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment. We collectively have dozens of projects already underway around the globe.
While in the Bavarian Alps, the president also trying to portray world leadership as back home soaring gas prices and inflation slam the administration.
And we thank Owen Jensen for that report. President Biden will return to Washington later this week.